Where to buy strawberry vanilla hydrangea? I found my strawberry vanilla hydrangea at a local nursery that specializes in a variety of shrubs and plants. It was a bit of a treasure hunt, but when I finally found it, I was thrilled. The delicate blend of pink and white blooms caught my eye immediately, and I knew it would be a beautiful addition to my garden. When to prune vanilla strawberry hydrangea? When it comes to pruning my vanilla strawberry hydrangea, I usually wait until early spring, just as the new growth begins to emerge. This timing allows me to remove any dead or damaged branches from the previous season while still preserving the new buds that will soon burst into vibrant blooms. It's a delicate balance, but I've found that pruning at this time encourages healthy growth and abundant flowers throughout the summer months. See more 100 species in genus Hydrangea at monsteraholic.com. How to prune vanilla strawberry hydrangea? Pruning my vanilla strawberry hydrangea is a careful process that requires attention to detail. I start by removing any dead or damaged branches, cutting them back to the base of the plant. Then, I selectively trim the remaining branches to shape the plant and encourage new growth. I always make sure to use sharp, clean pruning shears to minimize any damage to the plant and ensure a clean cut. When does strawberry vanilla hydrangea bloom? My strawberry vanilla hydrangea typically blooms in late spring to early summer, filling my garden with its sweet fragrance and stunning hues of pink and white. I look forward to this time each year, as the blooms bring a burst of color and life to my outdoor space. Can vanilla strawberry hydrangea grow in shade? Yes, my vanilla strawberry hydrangea thrives in partial shade. In fact, I've found that it actually prefers some protection from the harsh afternoon sun, especially in warmer climates. As long as it receives a few hours of sunlight each day, it continues to grow and bloom beautifully. Does vanilla strawberry hydrangea bloom on new wood? Yes, my vanilla strawberry hydrangea blooms on new wood, which means that I can prune it in early spring without sacrificing the following season's flowers. This makes pruning much easier and allows me to maintain the size and shape of the plant without worrying about removing next year's blooms. How big does a vanilla strawberry hydrangea get? My vanilla strawberry hydrangea can reach a height and width of around 4 to 5 feet, depending on the growing conditions and care it receives. It's a relatively compact shrub, making it perfect for smaller gardens or as a focal point in larger landscapes. How fast does vanilla strawberry hydrangea grow? Vanilla strawberry hydrangeas are relatively fast growers, especially during the warmer months when they receive plenty of sunlight and water. With the right care and conditions, I've seen mine grow several inches in a single growing season, quickly filling out and producing abundant blooms. How much sun does vanilla strawberry hydrangea need? My vanilla strawberry hydrangea thrives in partial to full sun, although it can tolerate some shade, especially in hotter climates. I've found that placing it in a location where it receives morning sun and afternoon shade helps it to flourish and produce more vibrant blooms. How to care for vanilla strawberry hydrangea? To care for my vanilla strawberry hydrangea, I make sure to water it regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. I also apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring to promote healthy growth and abundant blooms. Additionally, I mulch around the base of the plant to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. How to propagate vanilla strawberry hydrangea? Propagating my vanilla strawberry hydrangea is relatively straightforward. I usually take softwood cuttings in late spring or early summer, making sure to include at least 2 leaf nodes on each cutting. I then dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant it in a container filled with a mixture of perlite and peat moss. With regular watering and indirect sunlight, the cuttings usually root within a few weeks. What type of hydrangea is vanilla strawberry? Vanilla strawberry hydrangea is a cultivar of the Hydrangea paniculata species. It's characterized by its cone-shaped flower clusters that start out creamy white and gradually turn pink as they mature. The combination of white and pink blooms gives the plant its unique vanilla strawberry appearance. Does vanilla strawberry hydrangea flop? Yes, my vanilla strawberry hydrangea has a tendency to flop, especially when it's in full bloom. To prevent this, I usually provide some support in the form of stakes or a trellis, especially for larger varieties. Additionally, selective pruning can help to reduce the overall weight of the blooms and minimize flopping. Why is my vanilla strawberry hydrangea not turning pink? If your vanilla strawberry hydrangea isn't turning pink, it could be due to a variety of factors, including soil pH and nutrient levels. I've found that adding aluminum sulfate to the soil can help to lower the pH and encourage pinker blooms. Additionally, making sure the plant receives adequate sunlight and water can also influence the color of the flowers. Does vanilla strawberry hydrangea lose its leaves in winter? Yes, my vanilla strawberry hydrangea typically loses its leaves in winter, especially in colder climates. This is a normal part of its annual growth cycle, and the plant usually goes dormant until the following spring. I usually prune back any dead or damaged branches in late winter to promote healthy new growth in the spring.